Hey there, my name is Philip Henning. I'm a DevOps engineer here at Bitovi, and I'm going to be introducing you to BitOps and the Operations Repo folder pattern. Let's first look at BitOps. BitOps can be summarized as a Docker container image with infrastructure tools such as Terraform and Ansible installed, and a tool orchestrator to manage those tools in a deployment sequence. BitOps is written with the high-level programming language Python, which makes developing new features and tackling bugs straightforward and familiar to those interested in open source development. The Operations Repo pattern, on the other hand, isn't a tool but an organization pattern for infrastructure as code, or IAC. The pattern can be thought of as environment/tool/things. The environment and tool folder names are arbitrary and can be called anything, but thinking of them in the environment/tool format is helpful for visualizing the folder pattern. BitOps understands how to parse an operations repo pattern, but the pattern can be applied with or without BitOps. With a firm understanding of the two distinct items, let's now narrow our focus in and talk specifically about what BitOps is and what BitOps is not. BitOps is not a CI tool, nor is it a pipeline runner. BitOps is a tool orchestrator that manages the deployment sequence of an infrastructure stack, and it is a Docker image that contains both the BitOps orchestration tool as well as the infrastructure as code tools that we will use to provision and deploy. There are many benefits to using BitOps and the Operations Repo pattern, but some of the top benefits include the ability to consolidate infrastructure into a manageable and scalable pattern, the ability to customize deployment sequences to create unique workflows, the ability to execute arbitrary code before and after tools are invoked, removing the need for local tool installation as IAC tools are going to be installed within the Docker image, and providing consistent tool versioning, and finally plugins, which offer granular tool-level control through BitOps tool modules. Let's focus down even more and discuss what a BitOps plugin is. Plugins can be summarized as installation and deployment instructions for a tool, component, or specific software. The instructions are invoked and reported on by BitOps. BitOps acts as the tool orchestrator and uses the BitOps plugin to provide tool functionality throughout the deployment sequence. Let's wrap up this overview with a look at the BitOps current state and what's coming in the near future. Today we have managed plugins for tools such as Terraform, Ansible, Helm, CloudFormation, and Kubernetes, as well as for the AWS cloud provider. Coming down the line are even more great plugins and cloud providers, such as the serverless plugin, as well as support for Azure and Google Cloud. And like my PETA guy says, that's a wrap. Looking to learn more about BitOps, head over to bitops.com or github.com/bitovi/bitops. Looking to get involved? Well, definitely check out our Slack community channel, links down below. And looking to talk? Well, you can get in contact with us at bitops.com, or feel free to drop into our DevOps open office hours, in which we will spend an hour helping you with whatever you want.